The Commissioner for Basic and Secondary Education in Lagos, Mr. Jamiu Ali Balogun, has received students who represented Lagos State at the 26th National JETS competition in Abuja.
We entered for a lot of categories in the subject. We also entered in the project category, where we came first out of all the states that registered. And at least in all the categories, we're able to touch and bring back something to Lagos State. I want to say a big thank you to our able governor.
I am delighted and elated to present these students who went to Abuja to participate in the 26th Junior Engineers, Technicians and Scientists competition JETS. They went to Abuja, they saw, and they conquered the rest of Nigeria. Let us appreciate it.
It was an atmosphere of joy as the trophies won were presented to the Commissioner, who commended the students for being good ambassadors of Lagos, promising them that the state government will not relent in ensuring the students get the best education.
Students who have shown them that district talent and committed to their studies to make Lagos State a shining star before the state. I really appreciate you all and I thank you. And I hope that you do more in the nearest future to come, so that we always celebrate you and then have a space for you in the history of Lagos. So you are all welcome.
The winners shared with Education Report on TV their journey to success.
Preparation for this project was very tedious as well. Me and my partner put in a lot of efforts. There was also a lot of help and support from the government, from our districts, and from all our teachers, and also from our principal as well. We met people with different ideas, people with other different projects as well. I also learned a lot of things. I made friends with people from other states, gained a lot of knowledge as well. The experience on its own was very thrilling and very interesting. I want to tell the other students from the public school that no matter where you are, no matter what you are doing, that the government is always there to listen to the ideas that you have. They are kind-hearted and they are very supporting, because I would not have gotten to where I am today without their help. So to all of you out there, with every new idea that you get, with every new step that you take, just know that the government is here for you.
No matter the subject you want to read, just keep going, keep reading, because everything cannot happen overnight. You just have to read, practice. To the governor, I want to say a very big thank you to him, because he helped us a lot. Public school, creating a public school free for everybody, that's enough as an encouragement, because it just pushes us to keep going. And Lagos State is just one state that embraces education a lot.
The National JETS competition provides a platform for young minds in Nigeria to showcase their innovative ideas and skills while providing solutions to various societal challenges through their innovations.